Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this Mustang fastback seat on a Harley Davidson Iron 883 year 2017. So there's a couple videos of this already, but I'm going to give you a true 13,000 mile review. So start here. This seat is comfortable. I've gone on 400 mile trips. Honestly, it's comfortable. Like if it gets too hot, you're gonna need to throw some Gold Bond. If it gets too cold, you won't even worry about it, honestly. So it's great, even to be around the street, long trips. This seat is great. You have this little hump here. What I usually do is I throw my bag over, fill it up, and that gives me some back support. Now, this pillion seat, passenger seat, the girls hate it. Even on little short 30 minutes rides, 20-minute rides, 10-minute rides, they hate it. As soon as you sit on it, you're gonna hate it. So this is my solution for it. What do we got? It's a gel pad, more cush for your tush, memory foam, confirms to you, ride longer guaranteed. So if you throw this on there, I believe it goes this way. It's gonna help out a little bit, but honestly, they still hate it. I thought this was like an easy solution, easy way out, but it's not. Honestly, the seat is not good for 2-ups. Even though you got the sissy bar set up, it helps because when you sit on it, the girls feel like they're sliding off, and then with the sissy bar, they're able to stay in place. But the seat is uncomfortable. I sat on it, first 2-3 minutes, I already could feel that it's gonna be a horrible ride. So that's my honest review. I'm gonna keep this video super short. I'm not gonna show you how to install this or anything because everybody already should know. If not, there's other videos out there. But yeah, this is the foam pad I bought. It's like $60 on Amazon. Post the link. And the seat's about $290, $300 or so. Alrighty, thank you.